Hello, my name is Sam Ruffner. I wanted to share with you a few things I picked up from the course so far. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. I A few things I picked up. I have a business in the aerospace industry, and I have a web page. I have all the business plans and everything else set up, but I do not have any marketing experience. So it's kind of funny how much information I picked up from the marketing side of this presentation or this of these sessions. But I love flying. I've been in aviation for 30 something years, and this is going to be one of my exit strategies for retirement. So I'm really looking forward to, continuing with this program and learning everything I can to start a successful drone business. Thank you. Hey, this is Sam Ruffner from Atlanta, Georgia. Just wanted to talk about a few takeaways we've got from the event that's been happening. A lot of good material, a lot of good testimonials. I just really appreciate everything that you're putting together for this event. I got a ton I'm taking away and I'm going to incorporate into my business. I just truly appreciate it. Thank you very much.